the most popular Congress leader Priyanka Vadra Gandhi is going to lose her government accommodation in New Delhi. An order to this effect has been issued by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs today, and the order asks Priyanka Gandhi to vacate the house allotted to her in 1997. The order issued today reads like this: consequent upon withdrawal of SPG protection and grant of Z plus security cover by Ministry of Home Affairs, which does not have provision for allotment, retention of government accommodation on security grounds to you, the allotment of Type 6B House number 35, Lodhi Estate, New Delhi, is hereby cancelled with effect from 1st July 2020. 1 month concessional period on the same rent, that is up to 1st August 2020, is allowed as per rules. So it is clear from the order that Priyanka Gandhi will have to vacate the house allotted by the government of India since she was having the Z plus security cover in 1 month. We know that this is not the first step taken by the Modi governments in this direction. The first Modi government itself was taking several steps to avoid the undue facilities that political babus were enjoying from the government of India. Several steps had been taken, and several senior political leaders who were staying in government residences were requested to move out of those houses. Gradually, many of the senior political leaders who were not holding any parliamentary positions had to move from official residences. Now, after the second Modi government came into power, the series of actions in this direction continued, and what has happened to Priyanka Gandhi today also is nothing but the continuation of the actions that the NDA government is going ahead with. But we know that a set of Congress leaders is having a feeling of shock on coming to know that the residence allotted to Priyanka Gandhi is getting cancelled. But if we think beyond politics, we can see that it is nothing but the continuation of the policy that which is being upheld by the present day Modi government. For similar videos and reports, subscribe the channel. Also click the bell button to get the latest updates.